Welcome to Wolf Nest, your trusted property management in Salt Lake City, Utah. Today's topic is all about why fast maintenance response times are key to tenant retention. For rental property owners, keeping great tenants is one of the most effective ways to maintain profitability. One of the biggest drivers of whether tenants choose to renew their lease comes down to something very simple: how quickly and effectively maintenance issues are handled. Maintenance is one of the most frequent points of contact between tenants and property management. From leaky faucets to broken appliances or heating issues, tenants are constantly evaluating how their concerns are handled. A fast, organized response reassures tenants that their home is being cared for and builds long-term trust. Even small issues can feel major if communication is unclear or delayed. When maintenance is delayed, the impact goes far beyond inconvenience. Small issues can escalate into expensive repairs, such as minor leaks turning into water damage or mold. Slow response times also increase tenant frustration and can push residents to look for alternative housing before their lease ends. In competitive rental markets, responsiveness is often the deciding factor in whether a tenant stays or leaves. Tenants are often more patient when they know what is happening. The real frustration comes from silence. Simple communication steps like confirming requests, providing timelines, and giving repair updates can dramatically improve the tenant experience. Clear communication builds confidence, even when repairs take time to complete. The best way to handle maintenance is to prevent issues before they happen. Regular inspections, HVAC servicing, plumbing checks, and seasonal upkeep all reduce unexpected breakdowns. Preventative care creates a safer, more reliable home environment and shows tenants that their comfort is a priority. As portfolios grow, having a structured maintenance system becomes essential. Organized processes, reliable vendors, and clear communication workflows ensure consistent service across all properties. This not only reduces tenant complaints but also improves retention and operational efficiency. Fast, reliable maintenance is more than just fixing problems. It is about creating a rental experience tenants want to stay in. And that is where professional support makes all the difference. Wolf Nest helps property owners streamline maintenance, improve communication, and deliver the responsive service that keeps tenants satisfied, reduces turnover, and strengthens long-term rental performance.